How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another amazing episode on the channel. If you guys would be so kind, smash the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notifications so you guys can get notified exactly when I upload future tech content. Receiving a lot of support on these videos, so thank you so much. And guys, today's going to be a very open-ended discussion sort of video on the Galaxy Buds Pros. These are the best sounding headphones, in-ear, earbud headphones I've ever listened to. I normally use the Galaxy Buds original version. I've had these for a while. The only complaint I've had with these, realistically, battery life. The battery life hasn't been too good. It would run me usually 2.5 hours, and then I'd have to recharge, which is not great, and the charging speeds were quite slow. So these come along, Galaxy Buds Pro, along with a pre-order bonus for the S21, which I got. Phenomenal phone. Love the phone so much. Got a new SIM card yesterday because I think my SIM card was damaged. That's besides the point. I'm going to be talking about that in another video. But I got these as a pre-order bonus. Came with it basically free since I pre-ordered the phone. And I've been using them for a couple days. You guys saw my unboxing of them. And you'll know that sound quality on these is phenomenal. I mean, you can go look at any tech reviewer out there. They'll say the exact same thing. They say the dynamic mode on these especially is so good. The mids and highs I definitely noticed were much better. A lot more clarity in the vocals, as well as the bass had a lot more thump than the original Galaxy Buds. Sound quality, no issue, right? Zero issue. The case, no issue. It's very small. I like the square design and USB Type-C charging and wireless charging. You can even charge this on my phone using reverse wireless charging. There's so much functionality with these buds. The case, very good magnet in here, keep it nice and sturdy. The hinge is good. So you're probably wondering, what is the issue with these? The issue, ladies and gentlemen, is fit in the ear. I don't know how to put these in my ear properly. You'll go look on Reddit, Quora, all these different forums. No one has any idea how to put these in their ears. And I've been seeing tons of complaints out there, and Samsung literally had to put, I've never seen this before in my life, they had to put a video out on the internet telling people how to properly actually put these in their ears. For me, I don't like this. I mean, if my camera can pick up on that, probably won't. But yeah, this shape that they did, the little silicone tip, the way they crafted it, just doesn't fit in my ear well. I much prefer the rounded one on the original Galaxy Buds. There's no wingtip on these, so they struggle to fit in my ears, and it's overall not a great experience. I find they're a little uncomfortable after using them for roughly 30 minutes. My right ear canal, I think I have pretty small ears, and my right ear canal I think is a little more shallow than my left, so it fits in better in my left ear. However, my right ear, especially when I'm working out or even chewing and moving my jaw, I can feel the earbud slowly slipping out, and then it'll fall out. And to me, yeah, the sound quality is great. However, in order to listen to music and stuff, the earbuds have to be securely in your ear, or else they're kind of unusable at that point. Samsung recommends you put it upside down in your ear and then slowly rotate it clockwise or maybe counterclockwise, I'm not sure, until you get a secure fit. And right now it's pretty good, right? But it slowly just starts to slip out, and I can't do it. So I did I did order Galaxy Buds Plus. All I need is the lives, right? To have the full collection. I might actually do it, maybe, just to do a insane comparison, because I see those all the time on YouTube. But if you guys would like to see that, a full in-depth comparison video between the Buds Pro, the original Buds, the Buds Plus, and the Buds Live, let me know. That'd be an awesome video, to be honest. Fit in the ear, I think, needs to be improved. I think Samsung will address it. Hopefully there's an attachment that comes out in the future that maybe an external attachment, like a fin or another ear hook to just keep it on your ear securely. You know what I mean? But yeah, other than that, I have zero complaints with these earbuds. The sound quality is literally phenomenal. It's the best sounding earbuds I've ever heard in my entire life. These are great for working out if they fit in your ear properly. I think these are more suited for people with bigger ears. I don't have that big of ears, so they're not for me. So I'm going to be switching back to the Buds Plus, which is the upgraded version of these, which apparently has phenomenal battery life and fixes a lot of those issues. But guys, that's going to be it for my little rant on this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below what other tech videos you'd like me to talk about. Got more Galaxy S21 content coming soon, so that's going to be awesome. Give you an update on what it's been like using the phone, issues I've run into, just generally like what I love about the device and if you should go pick it up in March 2021. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video on the channel.